Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC, and today, well, we're looking at another Atlas. Now, we've seen a few knives on the channel that have had the moniker Atlas. Well, this one just happens to be Kubey's Atlas KU328. That's what we're looking at. Oh, it's got a wicked blade. I'm actually kind of digging it. I mean, it's a little bit, it's not that normal, drop point type, but I think there's going to be some folks out there that are going to like this one. But, so what do we got? Well, we've got sort of this bluish gray G10 going on. It's got some good texture to it. Now, it is kind of flat. We've got a little, chamfering going here. But for the most part, it's pretty flat. It's pretty flat. Not a whole lot of contour, but open construction. Deep carry clip for sure. Reversible. And yeah, this guy. If you're going to put a lanyard on it, that's probably where it's going to have to go, is up there. But for the fit and finish overall, done very, very well. That blade fills up that spot. It is definitely centered up. Now you've got flipper, you've got reverse flick. Yes, yes I can. Oh, look at that. Look at that blade. Needs a little bit of juice. I mean, it's pretty good. You don't have that super drop shut right off the bat, but it does shake shut pretty easily. You've got a nice big old hunk of 14C. And there you go. This one is a design collaboration with Jelly Jerry. Very cool. Now this part up here, the hole, it is chamfered off for the most part. There's a couple spots here where, the blade is pretty much, it doesn't have that fresh stamped feeling, but it's kind of got more of a squared off. You got that nice long fuller, but overall, you do have that forward choil there, which if you stay back on that flipper tab, you can use it, but it's close. Yeah, my finger's really close. So if you're going to use it, just please be careful. You've got some jimping here on the spine, which is done pretty well. I'd say it's kind of, it does catch it. If it was just a little bit deeper, I think it would be a little bit more effective. If I was going to judge it from 1 to 10 as far as jimping, well, I guess that's completely subjective to but it's probably a 5, because it does grab at times. You kind of got to get your finger right. Other times I notice my thumb does kind of slide across it. So it's good. It's definitely not the best, but definitely not the worst either. You've got the access to the liner lock, which is very good. Now, like I said, that initial drop, you get the flipper tab right there, but then it shakes shut. Really nice. So if you go a little bit lower, you'll get it to drop just a little further. But I mean, overall, the access to it is fine. Just needs probably maybe some cleanup, definitely some juice, and you'd have yourself a pretty drop shutty. Not that it's bad. It just takes a little shake. But that wicked, wicked sheepsfoot blade. Wow. But, all right. So, where are we at? Spec-wise. 7 3/4. Decent sized knife. You're looking at about 4.5 on the handle. Going to give us about 3 1/4 on the blade. Now, cutting edge is going to be maybe just a hair over 3 inches. Maybe. Yeah, it's peeking over there. Just a little bit. And then our grip length is coming in, well, right about 3.5. Once again, I'm telling you, I guess I have a pretty average hand size. That's the only thing I can think of, because a lot of these knives are coming out with right about a 3.5 inch grip, which is absolutely perfect for me. So there we go. Hopefully it feels good to you too. But very good overall. Size comparison wise, you're looking at the bug out. The Atlas is sneaking by Just a little bit on the blade, but maybe close to 1/4 of an inch on the handle. Then, of course, we got the old PM2 out here. It's probably going to be just the opposite. Yep. Pretty much just the opposite. It's got it by about close to 1/4 of an inch on the blade. And about 1/4 of an inch on the handle as well. So, now this one's got a little bit more weight to it, just because you've got kind of that more chunky blade. But it's not bad. We got 119 grams or 4.2 ounces. Not bad. Not bad at all. And let's see how it looks in our pocket. We've got a good profile. Plenty of room left over below. Sits off to the side very nicely, just like I like my knives to. Definitely deep carry. Went in the pocket very nicely. And decent pop. It does have some grip. I mean, it's a fairly stiff clip. And with that texturing on the handle, it's gonna grip. And I don't call it a pocket ripper, not at all. Not saying that. It just gives you that little bit of extra grip. Now, we've got that turned up portion. That's always the part that gets me. But with the 3.5 inch handle and a 3.5 inch hand, it hits me just right. It's hitting me in that crease there. It's not an issue at all. The clip pretty much dives down right on me. I mean, I can kind of feel it just a little bit back there. Nothing that I'd write home about or complain about to you guys. Absolutely. So, a fit and finish is done pretty darn well. Action is good. Detent's very good. I like the detent. Reverse flicks, regular flipper, thumb flip for sure. If I can even, no, I gotta stay with the hole. I can't really get down on that flipper enough to, it's kind of buried there. So I really can't get a good enough grip, but with that hole, absolutely. So action wise, it's doing pretty good. And ergonomics is really good. Fills my hand very nicely. Obviously, my index finger falls right there in that groove. My middle finger is kind of, where it slopes up here. And the other two just lay very, very nicely. So overall, feels very, very good in hand. I'd mentioned Atlas seems to be a pretty popular name for knives. This isn't the only one. We've seen a couple others on the channel for sure. But Kubey, I tell you what, Kubey has done the Atlas name well. It's done well. No issues with it really whatsoever. Like I said, little juice in the pivot. You probably get a little bit more drop shut action with it. But as always, I try not to alter these in any way before I show them to you guys. Just what you see is just with normal use from me. So, but thank you so much to Kubey for sending out the Atlas KU328 to check out. And thank you guys, as always, for stopping by to check it out with me. Hopefully you have a fantastic rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. I love talking to you. Until next time, we'll talk later, guys. Bye-bye.